What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. Good morning everybody. I hope you guys are having a great start to your Saturday. I am up early before the kids are even awake. I'm going to have some coffee. We're actually going to have some coffee together. If you hear my pets crunching their food in the background, it's because the cats are up here with me. And my dog has already been fed, so if you hear a whining dog, that's why he's whining, because after he eats, he wants to eat all the cat's food too. But anyways, you guys, I wanted to have some coffee with you guys before we started this Dollar Tree haul. I'm actually going to be filming multiple hauls for you guys today. So I like to put my 2 packets of stevia in. I don't think I brought over a little coffee stirrer, but I like my Family Dollar stevia, and the coffee that I love is Starbucks Pike Place. I'm actually having cold coffee today, you guys, because I wanted to get right to filming. My favorite creamer is this guy right here. This is the hazelnut creamer by Great Value, which it's a Walmart creamer, and it is so delicious. Okay, you guys, so I got my creamer in. I love cold coffee. Cold coffee, hot coffee, it's all delicious to me. Okay, you guys, I am getting ready to have that first sip, but before I do, I wanted to say a special happy birthday to Tom Malcolm in London. His sweet girlfriend, Fernanda, contacted me, and she told me how much they have been enjoying my channel, and she just asked if I would give him a special birthday shout out. So again, happy birthday, Tom. I hope you have an amazing day with many, many birthdays to come. I have a little bit of friend mail I want to share with you guys, and hopefully you don't mind while you're having your coffee or your tea as well. Let's just talk about a couple sweet things that came in the mail. These came from one of my subscribers named Kim. Kim, thank you so much. I really love the Ready Set stamps. And I definitely need a couple extra cactus stamps because, you guys, if this cactus craze fizzles out here next year or the year after, we will never see cactus items again. So I am really happy to have a couple extras. Thank you so much, Kim. And thank you, Nancy, for sending this sweet homemade card. I love it so much. I love the stickers that you put on and the love that you put into this card. It was so sweet and such a nice surprise. Thank you so much. And Kathleen, I got your package. Thank you so much. Now, honey, I have to say that there was not any packaging in the box, so the necklaces arrived kind of tangled up, which is okay. I was able to untangle them, and I'm going to share with you guys the necklaces. But one of the necklaces, I'm going to have to repair it with some pliers because some of the pieces came off. I totally think it's repairable, but you guys, just remember, if you ever send a package out, these boxes get handled very roughly, so try your best to put in tissue paper, newspaper, packaging peanuts, the bubble wrap, whatever you can. But everything else got here safely. She sent me a nice card, this gorgeous cactus stamp. I believe that came from Michael's. This really cute pack of stickers. I think they're so pretty. Excuse me. I think all of these things came from Michael's. I love this. We have succulents and cactus, and it's 114 pieces. I love tiny stickers, and you guys, I love cactus, so this is just a perfect set. Yeah, these are the Craft Smart stickers. I think they're just adorable. Oh, and these are so pretty. You guys, these are all little like sticky notes, page flags. I love this. Oh, Kathleen, these are so pretty. Again, that's by Craft Smart. Thank you so much. I am so appreciative for everything. And she even sent me a planner, a recollections planner. And look at this. It's gorgeous. It has succulents on it, plants, unicorns. I love the pink. I love this planner, you guys. It is so pretty. It has the daily layout. it has the weekly layout. It is really, really nice. And look, you guys, I wanted to flip to the back to show you that it has tons and tons of stickers. I love it when they come with stickers. Oh, these are so cute. I love the colors. Oh, the little strawberry, so adorable. Wow, these really come with lots and lots of stickers. I love that. And a little pocket back here, and it's actually one that you can write on with dry erase pen, and then it has the little pocket back here as well. I love it. This is so cute. Kathleen sent this really pretty necklace and earring set, and I actually even wore this necklace the other day when I went live in Five Below and live in Dollar Tree. It's super cute. Here are the earrings. We have this pretty set, very Southwest and turquoise. So, so gorgeous. I have to reconnect the center piece here because, like I said, they were really twisted up with each other, but that's okay. I have all the pieces. It is going to be so gorgeous. So thank you so much to everyone that sent me a little something special, whether it's a card or a gift or an email. You guys, I do appreciate it all. I appreciate it all so much, and it really, really touches my heart. No one ever has to send me anything. Please don't ever feel like you ever have to send me anything. You totally don't. But to those of you that do, I appreciate your thought so much. Thank you guys all so much. Let's go ahead and hop into this haul. I found some new items. I found all the new washi tapes. However, there was just like 1 or 2 rolls in each that I really liked, and I was like, you know what, I think I'm going to pass. But I liked this one. It had a gold roll, a yellow one, this one that says, I am very busy. I kind of really love that one. That perfectly describes my life. This little blue one, it has a tiny bit of a texture to it. Then we have music notes with gold foil. I really like the blue glittery one here, and then we have the diamonds. I really like the diamonds as well. So that's the only pack, even though I saw, I think it was all 4 new packs or 5 new packs. This is the only one that I got. And then I got some more Pears soap. You guys know how I feel about this. I think I'm running low on Pears soap. I love using this on my arms and on my face in the shower. It doesn't smell the best, but it is for sensitive skin. It is a gentle care sort of soap. You guys know I love my Breezy. I've been trying that Final Touch, the large fabric sheets, and they're okay, you guys, but I really, really love my Breezy, and I probably don't need to use as much Breezy as I do, but I usually throw in like 2 to 3 sheets with each load because I do super huge loads. You guys know how it is. I actually have the washer and the dryer running right now, so this is definitely one of my favorites, you guys. I'll probably be opening a new box. I run through a lot of Breezy, and I just love it. Every fragrance is just so perfect. Guess what, you guys? I found the new Bolero soap and fizzers. I did not see the hand wash. I didn't see the bath crystals. I didn't see the body wash or any of that that so many of you are hauling. But look at this new package. It's very kind of antique-y looking. It's very vintage and cute. This is the Moroccan mint and raspberry. Now, to be honest, you guys, I have never used these in the shower. I've never used these on my body. However, I do keep a large bar in the bathroom, and this is the hand soap that my entire family uses. It lasts a long time and it works great. I only got one of these, I believe, because I kind of have a collection of some Bolero soaps going on. My stash is pretty nice. I think I have several bars of the Bolero, and most of them are just simple white bars, and it says here no artificial dyes and that it's cruelty free, so that's nice. Again, 6.25 ounces, so that's a pretty big bar of soap. These are back again in one of my Dollar Trees, and we can also get these in Walmart for just a little cheaper, I think 89 cents. But Gator really likes this, and this doesn't bother his skin. It says it's gentle on sensitive skin. It's dye-free and paraben-free and hypoallergenic. This is the White Rain Kids 3-in-1, so this can be used for hair and body. And it's tear-free, and it smells really nice and clean, and you get 12 ounces. I never did find the large size Shopkins 3-in-1. I'm definitely looking for the Shopkins 3-in-1. I mean, I love this one, but I think the Shopkins 3-in-1 is even larger than this. So that's on my wish list. Next, you guys, I found these magnets, and I think Pretty and Flawed hauled these maybe 3 weeks ago or so. You guys know how it is. Callie gets everything first, and then the rest trickles our way across the US. But I think these are just so pretty. I actually got 2 packs. They had 3 new packs of these magnets. Down here it says STO is a trademark of Debbie Lynn Inc. So that says STO up here. And they had some other really pretty blue ones that I liked. But I really kind of love these, you guys. I'm looking over at some of my whiteboards. I really love these because these kind of match some existing cutely striped magnets that I already have, and these are going to go up on my whiteboards. Like, we have papers and art and all sorts of stuff hanging up, but I think these are probably the prettiest little magnets that I have seen in a long time, and you get 6 in a box. I have one last thing to share with you guys in this haul, and then I'm going to be going on to filming other Dollar Tree hauls. I think I have 1 or 2 more Dollar Tree hauls to film for you guys, and I also have a Family Dollar haul. I might tie in a Family Dollar haul with some Walmart items, really cute items and really good deals. So you guys be sure to check out my other hauls. But Birdy picked this out, and she really liked this one, and she has an expired calendar hanging up in her room, and she's like, I need a new calendar. This says Wild Heart and Free Spirit, and I think that's really pretty on the cover. This is a 12-month calendar. This is what it looks like on the back. So we have believe there's good in the world. Bravery will lead you to your destiny. You are so loved. Patience is the companion of wisdom. I love the floral. We have fortune favors the brave. The earth laughs in flowers. How cute. Dream a little bigger. Be kind and be brave. Believe there's good in the world. Again, what we have on our cover, the Wild Heart and Free Spirit. Follow that dream. Love, faith, and hope. And grace upon grace. Well, hey you guys, that's it for this haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Please check out my other hauls that I'll be posting Sunday and possibly Monday and Tuesday as well. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please feel free to share it with your friends and family and pass on the savings and the deals. Encourage them to get out to Dollar Tree so they can really maximize their budget. But all right, you guys, I love sharing these with you, and if you loved watching it, please go ahead and hit the thumbs up button, share with me down in the comments below, and if you haven't yet, hit that little button subscribe. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.